Understanding the phrase, credits roll, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, credits roll. This phrase is often used in the context of movies and television, but it has broader applications too. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, credits roll, refers to the list of credits at the end of a movie, TV show, or similar production. It's when the names of all the people involved in the making of the film or show are displayed on the screen. This includes actors, directors, technicians, and many others who contributed to the production. The term, roll, comes from the way these credits move up the screen, scrolling from bottom to top. Understanding the history and usage of phrases can be quite enlightening. The concept of rolling credits began in the early days of cinema. Originally, credits were shown at the beginning of a film, but eventually, they moved to the end, often rolling up the screen. This practice has become a standard in filmmaking. In everyday language, when someone says, "Let the credits roll," they might mean concluding an event or acknowledging everyone's contributions. To help you better understand how to use credits roll in a sentence, here are a few examples. As the credits rolled at the end of the movie, we realized how many people worked hard to make it. In life, there's no credits roll to thank everyone who helped us along the way. After the project's completion, it felt like the credits were rolling on a successful venture. Beyond films, credits roll can be used metaphorically. It can signify the end of an event, project, or even a phase in life. For example, as she retired, it felt like the credits were rolling on her illustrious career. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of credits roll. Remember, learning a new language is like watching a movie. It's a journey with lots of characters and interesting twists. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.